Hello and welcome to this review of the Anker 25 watt wall charger. Let's have a look inside the box. So this is the charger port itself, and it comes along in the UK version with a corresponding plug which goes into the main socket. So the device itself, you can see in my hand how big it is roughly, although that's probably not of that much interest. What you've got here, you've got 5 USB ports, and I don't know if you can see that, but it says for iPad, for Samsung Tab, for iPad, for iPhone, and for Android. We see Anker's, the back of Anker's wall charger, and this little pad here shows you what this all means. So basically each of the USB ports is optimized for charging a certain device. So for example, iPads charge at 2.1 amps. This means that you can fully charge your iPad at full speed in the iPad socket. However, for example, the Android socket, it's only 1 amp. So what's best to do is to look at your phone's rating. So if you're on your standard phone charger, if you check out what the current rating is that your phone charger supplies, that usually indicates the maximum speed of your the maximum power output of your phone charger, which you can then match rather closely to this charger, which then allows you to charge your device at full speed. And obviously you can charge up to 5 devices at full speed, although this depends on the current draw of each one. In terms of other things, I've used this now for about 3 months, and I've heard people complain about a high-pitched noise. Now the high-pitched noise occurs sometimes for me. This occurs mainly when the device I have is charged. So if I'm charging up my tablet and charging up my mobile phone, and sometimes in the morning I can hear a very high-pitched noise, but it's very faint usually. So what I would advise is not to have this perhaps right close to your bedside. Maybe keep this either somewhere where you're not going to hear it, or somewhere equally don't muffle it with clothes or something, as someone else suggested, as that is obviously a fire risk. Apart from that, there's not much more to show you. It's just USB ports and the power ratings each there. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it useful. Thanks very much.